Guys, in my previous video I've shown you this website whereby you're going to make money online by just doing tasks, easy task, coaching ads. So I made this video I think months ago, so you can see that video here up. So today I have again revealed this website so that I earn money with it, and I show you. So guys, I've managed to earn some easy dollars. I've just answered questions and I've earned this money. So this website is still working. I just created a new account because I've spent video without creating video here, so I lost my phone, so I just created a new account with this new phone of mine so that I show you step by step on how to earn with this website. I'm going to leave the link down the description of this video, so just click in it and create an account and get started. So let me take you to the screen recording on my video, so let's go. So you guys, this is the website whereby I've earned this money. So I'm going to come to the dashboard and show you what I have earned. I have earned over 80,000 coins, and these are equivalent to $0.79. So it is easy here to earn. I just completed one task, then I earned money. So you just need to come down and click on faucet, so you can earn by claiming faucet. Just come and verify here, verify these numbers, verify the digits like 9. They may show you an ad. Just come back, just click 10, 8, and then verify that you're not a robot by tapping what is necessary. So just click in verify, then your coins will be added to your balance. So it is just easy. Just come to Offerwells. Also just come to the list and check out the Offerwells. You can download different applications and earn money. You can do some surveys and earn money. So everything is just easy. Just need to come to the short link section. Also earn from this side. Just tap on any short link and complete it, then earn money. So it is just easy. You can come to also PTC ads, and then you can watch ads here and earn this amount of coins. So the best earning thing here is completing completing Offerwells. You can earn much money here. So you can also come to daily coupons. Just click here on coupons and then join their WhatsApp, their Telegram group, and then you'll be claiming free coupons. So it is just easy here to earn money. I'm going to leave the referral link. You can also earn by referring to different people and then earn money, earn 10% of what they earn. So everything is just easy here. I'm going to be making a live withdrawal from this platform or from this website. It is called Via Faucet. So I'm going to be making a live withdrawal here. So I'm just going to tap on withdraw, and I'm going to withdraw to my Faucet Pay wallet. If I come to Faucet Pay here, let me try to go to the dashboard. You can see that I have a balance of $0.4. So I'm going to come here and then enter my address for Faucet Pay. If you don't know Faucet Pay, I'm going to tell you more about Faucet Pay. So here I need to enter my email address which I used to sign in Faucet Pay. So I'm going to tap on the coin which I want to withdraw. So I'm going to withdraw from Dogecoin. So that's why I'm going to withdraw my money. So you can withdraw any amount here from Faucet Pay, CC Wallet, or you can send direct payments. So I'm just going to tap this is the amount I'm going to receive to remove this 0.5. So I'm going to come down and verify, then the payment will be sent to my address. So let me verify here. Just read what they need to verify, then click in withdraw. So here you can see that the withdrawal has been sent. This is the message. The withdrawal has been sent. If I come here to withdraws, you can see that the withdrawal is approved. So I'm going to come back to my Faucet Pay. Let me first refresh to see. You can see that the money has been moved. Let me come back here to my Faucet Pay. So you can see that now I have a balance of $1.2. So I just earned this money within I think I used 20 minutes to earn $0.7. So I don't know how many minutes it will take for you to make this amount of money, or you can make greater than this. So I'm going to be leaving the link down in the description of this video. So thank you for watching the video. Thank you. So let me stop the video. You can subscribe, like, and hit the bell button so that you'll be updated on my new upcoming videos.